Life Hearing has been here in El Segundo on Main for about 8 years. Prior to that, it was LaCaz Hearing Aid Center. I specialize in fitting hearing aids, and I also wear hearing aids. It's very mom and pop. I feel very, very much as though each one of my patients has been sent here for me to help, very personally.
I'm an aircraft mechanic, and I work around noise, and I had need for a hearing specialist. I found out through a friend, a local person, that there was a hearing aid here in town. I'd never suspected. So I checked with Alicia, and I was very impressed with her operation, and I decided to come here.
I love what I do. It's very personal. When you come into my office, I'm right here. You're not waiting and to see me. I'm here personally to greet you and to sit with you and to give you all of my attention.
She has battled insurance companies for me. She's taken hours adjusting my hearing because I have a lot of difficulty with hearing. She's taken the time to do the work that needs to be done, and it's been excellent.
I enjoy specifically picking the hearing aids that I think that person should have because of the lifestyle. I had a hearing problem as a child, and I did not have hearing aids as a child. But I also was the daughter of a musician, and I began singing. I had a very vibrant and active career in my younger years. And in my 30s, I actually developed severe tinnitus. That is a ringing in the ear. My hearing got worse, and I eventually did get hearing aids. And I believe because of my background in music, because of my empathy, and because I wear hearing aids myself, I related to people very easily and definitely had a heart for the hearing impaired.
It's a quality of life issue. You have people talking to you, you have things going on around you that you were completely oblivious to. When that came back, it was like being reborn, basically. I'm able to hear sounds that I didn't know existed. Sounds that in my youth I would have heard clicking of doors, things like that. I'd missed that. Through her adjustments, I've been able to get a lot of that back.
It is very personal. You're dealing with your hearing, and you need to hear in life. So it's a very personal thing, and I believe people appreciate that. And I know each one of my patients. They have my cell phone number, they text me, and that's what I enjoy, and that's what they enjoy.
I just as soon do my service here than go to a conglomerate, a huge corporation that doesn't have time to spend with you. They've got a lineup of people. This is more personal, and the time is taken to hear what you need and get it fixed. And it's incredible.
I'm at 311 Main, across from the fire station, upstairs from the cleaners. Come in, I'm in Suite B, and say hello.